Telemedicine is on the verge of its next major leap, and one company is absolutely shaking everything up: Hims and Hers. With a single deal, they didn't just gain millions of new customers, they opened the door to an entire continent. This isn't ordinary growth. This is a real game changer. The mega deal, Zava acquisition, over 1.3 million new users instantly. Let me tell you what happened. Hims and Hers recently acquired the leading European telehealth platform, Zava. This means their customer base, already at 2.5 million, jumped by over 50%. That's a massive 1.3 million new users, pushing the total to over 3.8 million. But the even more exciting part is the strategic chess move behind it. With Zava, Hims gains direct access to key markets like the UK, France, Germany, and Ireland. This is a rare gateway into the highly attractive European healthcare market, elevating the company to an entirely new level. It's about establishing a truly global presence. European market entry and integrated services. The integration of Zava is far more than just geographic expansion. It enables deep localization. Patients can now be cared for in their native language, a crucial advantage in Europe's regulated markets. Hims can now combine its proven services with Zava's established doctor-led telehealth offerings. The result? A comprehensive, digitally supported healthcare system that seamlessly integrates lifestyle medication with traditional medical care. Hims is taking a giant step closer to its vision of a holistic and globally accessible healthcare system. The deal of the year: Hims and Hers partners with Novo Nordisk. Hims and Hers isn't slowing down. Just recently, in April 2025, another bombshell dropped: a strategic distribution partnership with Novo Nordisk, maker of the globally demanded weight loss drug Wegovy. Hims is now officially distributing this blockbuster product through its platform, including digital support programs, medical supervision, and 24/7 nutritional counseling. This move is an absolute game changer. It's a direct entry into a multi-billion-dollar market expected to grow exponentially, explosive growth and gigantic goals by 2030. Now let's talk numbers. Hims and Hers is experiencing breathtaking growth. Revenues are soaring by triple digits year over year, driven by increasing subscriptions and new services. Particularly noteworthy is the sharp rise in profitability. Operating margins, once single digit, have now more than tripled, clear proof of the business model's scalability. And this is just the beginning. Hims has extremely ambitious plans for 2030. The company aims to increase revenue by at least 330% compared to 2024, and EBITDA is projected to grow by over 640% through massive margin improvements. This roadmap impressively shows that Hims is far from the end of its growth path. It's just at the beginning of a new era. The service offensive, from clicks to comprehensive care. Since 2020, Hims and Hers has radically expanded its business model. Where once lifestyle products were the focus, the platform now offers a broad spectrum of medical services, from prescription GLP-1 medications for weight loss to mental health, men's health, and hormone therapies. Each expansion attracts new users and significantly increases revenue per customer, a crucial lever for higher profitability. The significant margin improvements, making Hims one of the few profitable telehealth providers, are reflected in the increased EBITDA margin from 5% in 2022 to an already impressive 16% by early 2025. This represents operational excellence and clear, sustainable profitability. The massive goal: 100 million customers in sight. Let's look at the bigger picture. Hims and Hers management openly talks about a midterm market potential of over 100 million customers worldwide. Compared to the current 3.8 million users, this represents a gigantic growth opportunity and a clear signal of how grand the long-term vision truly is. With its entry into Europe, stronger integration of medical services, and strategic partnerships, the company is excellently positioned to unlock this enormous potential. The market factor: short interest at record highs. A short squeeze is just a matter of time. Now for the financial aspect. Despite all these impressive successes, Hims and Hers is still vastly underestimated on the stock market. The short interest in Hims stock stands at over 30%. a record level reminiscent of spectacular short squeezes, like the one seen with Carvana. The combination of strong operational development, a promising long-term vision, and extremely high short interest is explosive. Should the company continue to deliver, and all signs point to it, the next price breakout could be just a matter of time. Investors should prepare for a potential scenario with multi-bagger returns. At the same time, the company impresses with rapid revenue growth, significant margin improvements, and a clear vision. By 2030, they aim to far exceed current figures in a market with potentially 100 million customers. And while the operational business improves, a powerful force is already brewing in the stock price. The short interest is over 30%. A short squeeze seems to be only a matter of time and could propel the stock to new heights. Those who invest here early could witness a stock market miracle a la Carvana.